Okay, build market for
women.
Okay. But we hear say they don't promise before. Say they go build the market.
We here now. We here.
So what it can't stop them?
I don't know. I don't know what is stop them. 100 million when they say they give us, we don't see the money.
It never come?
No, we don't see the money. Market women don't see the money.
You don't think say maybe get person when government don't give the money when never share them?
We know here. We don't know. Nobody tell us.
Hi, sir.
I beg you, go tell us your name.
My name is Roslyn.
You know the election won't take place for this state this year?
I know.
You know say now 14 political parties now want contest for the election.
We know.
So out of these 14 people, when these political parties don't come out and make contest for the election, who for your mind you want make it win?
What do you mean you want to say as Obaseki don't start? Make the letter finish here. Okay. So that if the another person can enter now, the work when Obaseki work remain. The other person not go start time. But if Obaseki finish in work, another person go physically come continue. Make the let Obaseki finish waiting it start. Make it for build this market for us. See where we dey, see how we take shade. We dey shade like who they learn market. We will not shade like who they trade market. We be like small pikin for inside market. Make the let Obaseki rule for the 8 years. Other people rule 8 years. Make it see complete 8 years. Make not cheat.
Madam, you yes they say you not qualify to contest for the election. Say you not get certificate.
No be they say you not qualify to contest election. Not be the same thing they ruled out for 4 years. Why they not talk say you not qualify that time when you rule out 4 years? Now they say you not qualify. Who then they cheat?
Madam, I hope you not say don't see go move waka enter PDP. You like them as you waka enter the PDP since they not agree for APC.
All of them are the same. Whether you go PDP or whether you go ACO, all of them are politicians. They be the same thing, they work together. Even who the AC now PDP for come out. Who want rule? When God say na he go rule us well. Make it, but me let Obaseki rule for 8 years. Me not cheater.
Thank you, madam, for the time you talk to us. You do well.
Thank you, sir.
You know, say election won't take place for Edo State this year. Okay. Now, among all the candidates when they contest, remember, say we get 14 people when they contest. Put who for your mind you want make it win?
I don't really get one person for my mind. One wants me win. Election na try a luck. Anybody will like me win. If Obaseki win, I win. If Ize-Iyamu win, I win. Nobody they feed me. I did on my own. So about the election, before the election, should I say coronavirus there around? Say may person no social guiding. So but this one now, should be the election now. Should be coronavirus see day. It be like say they don't forget coronavirus na election don't they carry on now. Why about the day me I dey vote? Why about the day we want go vote? Should be that they stand for line. If they stand for line, they do the vote. The coronavirus not there again. Should be coronavirus go still there that time. But students now not they go school. They don't leave that one aside. They talk about election. Why about the students where they go school? They not talk about that one. And see our market. Our market born Kiosa born. They not talk about Kiosa. Obaseki say give market women 100 million. We not see the money. The money na audio. We not see the video for her. So and the market they not build that. They not even let us do as our hand reach. I wish they even let us do. Maybe they'll say individual build that. Like New Benin market na individual and I build that. And they are very happy. If Obaseki no say he not go build our market, may just announce and say individual build your market, build your shade, and we go there very happy. You understand? So about the election, as for me not they go vote because coronavirus there. You understand? Me not they go and I they vote before, but coronavirus today. As far as say my children know they go school because of coronavirus, me myself I not go feed go vote.
But government don't talk now. Say make those when it dey from primary 6, when it dey GSS 3 and SS 3, make them go back to school. They say they don't they make provision now to open the schools. You not think say now because of the children interest, now make them want go that.
Like me, my pikin never reach primary 6, and a private school now my children they go. Private school they fit do as they tell they talk. They fit do for private school maybe like 20 people a class. If it possible, you understand? So what of the children where they go like KG1, KG2, like primary 1 to that primary 6 where they say may go start school? Those ones they not go school. You understand? So at the year they say that they do online teaching, but as for me not get big for online teaching. That's small for I get. You understand? So they go allow the children go school before they talk about the election. You understand?
You don't think so? Why they don't want to make the children go back to school now sake of the coronavirus fear when they talk about so? Okay. You know if it's an make am?
Okay, now the sake of the coronavirus, but that's still the coronavirus. Now the sake of the coronavirus should be election September waiting. 19. Okay, that time now the coronavirus go not finish for Nigeria.
Maybe before then now the government will still open the school.
If you still open the
school. You don't think so?
And till then now, if the school open, me go vote.
Thank you, madam, for the time you talk to us.
If school not open, I still get what I want to. If school not open, I feel if you go the field, I go put my hand for line. My vote not go let they count. They go throw away my vote.
But by that time, you do yourself now. Your voice not there again.
It's good. I just let her like
I beg, madam, make you vote where that they are beg.
If school starts, everything they okay. I go vote where because I did vote before. I even vote Obaseki this in 4 years where rule so I vote and I be never now they vote. I vote and we stay us. I know they talk that one.
You do it for the time you talk to us, madam. Thank you.
Election. I dey vote for PDP. I never wanted to throw my vote for APC once. So I be PDP, correct one, confirm one. Even though you give me money, I not go because of your money. I must vote for PDP. Now what I like. Now I see they follow.
So now when we say now the present governor, not PDP, as you say you be follower of PDP.
Yes.
Now PDP come out too. Who you want make it come win?
And I see come, I like her because in now understanding person, so that the job when he do full grant, I want make it complete. That make me go one time. You know hear me so that make it for complete. All waiting the job put hand it too plenty, so that make it complete. Now I don't want.
Like this market now, with the year say government promise. He promise. You never see this now.
He promise. I did when they promise 100 million. For I not see. You don't hear me so. Nobody even can tell us again. Sorry, not 3 shop I get. Yeah. That place went blue. This one my shop. This one is a bill and attachment. Can't join this one. I full stop. Everything finished. I not see help from government. And when people pass, so you know if people come back, as they share food for this Corolla, so say this women when their things still born, may you can't give them even do now small thing. You know do one. You know hear me so. As we still there so 3 months, the smoke will not come market. If I tell you, therefore, they lock my store. He say, I go pay dustbin money for 3 months. You don't hear me, so when will not take come? I come now, they don't lock them. I go pay 1.5 before you open the store for me.
For 3 months.
I tell you so. They see the collector, ask me how you they talk so. They go. They collect and they go.
Who they in charge of the collection? So?
I don't know. So now government go find out. I don't know who they in charge of collection. But what you know, me don't pay.
Country people, now inside the Kiosa market we dey so. We just get one allegation now. Say for the 3 months when government lock the market, say they fumigate the market. Say some people now they collect 115 per shade. Say they want to when they take pack dirty for the 3 months. Country people, government, make you bring out your searchlight, make you chook the searchlight where to look what they happen for that matter.
Because like that we do. You see, say now only we bill, you see, now only we bill. Some they would fear not to come.
Mama,
now yeah, guru
now voting.
No winning. Okay, now what time? Don't get a honey, I get away. Or so walking at time. Men that in the attack on win, on our win, whether that in the attack, or one on win is all walking at time on win. So now don't you go away, my money. So on no winning. Oh, so walking at time on winning, Nima. Where I turn with someone can win. No can win. Memo go any metal no can truly ma. Ne dona here and Nigerian make peace Emagwalo. Na here your pia ukpokpo ya gbelegbo a. Agwa mo nyari moma, agwa agwaligo, agwa knape. Agwa abe muigo, ajebe gbogani won. Abi wa mami television. You know set no win no na make peace.
Nigeria cannot.
I know they share along the road. If by mistake motor fair break, you go jam them. They know of that one. Oh, they take that risk. Where government will come arrest any of them, send them go jail. They will say government don't do bad. Now what think me for say na be that?
Some of your co-drivers for here now just talk say agbero dey. Say na license agbero na dey. Say na the present government na bring that agbero. Wey get the oppressor now.
You know
how true that story be?
Now I want to tell you so. Agbero, the people when they call agbero, so now be those task force where we know say na then they drive people, they come on for road. Market women may they not share along the road. Like bus driver, we be say he carry pass to at this present time where they say coronavirus day. So the bus driver we carry pass to where they say me that they carry. That's 5% where they say me they carry. They go arrest them. And secondly, and also those people be say from here go reach Goroti Junction now. They say no, they carry passenger. No, the road may not cost hold up. So if you don't pass where they tell say may not pass, you don't carry passenger. If you don't pass, they pick passenger they go. They not go for enter their law. Now they call them Agberu. The Agberu wey first day before we be say this third junction. By this time now you know if you pass them from morning to evening, you know if you pass them. Eh? But now this government now, if they come from Gbowo now, it go assure you of 30 minutes. You don't reach where they go. Because of say those people they clear your way. You know we Nigerians, where the better thing dey, who feel strong go round, don't say who they do that better thing, we know they like them. But those who be say they feel they strong go that bad things, when they strong go that carry and put for us, and they like the bad things. So for me, I like the way this government they do. I say they do. If you get another thing for offend them, me no know. But this thing when I see, so I say a good say all those ones they not be Agberu. I know they are task force. Finish.
Thank you for the time when you talk to us, Oga. You do well, sir. Oga, first of all, tell us your name.
I be Mr. Jonathan.
Okay. You know say election go take place.
Yes.
So who for your mind you want to make him win the election?
The present governor.
The present governor?
Yes.
And what will be his name?
Governor Obaseki.
Why you talk say you want to make him win?
Because the past governor, I don't see say wetin dem dey do. E no for put as this present government dey so. Because if you see, first of all, if you see all those pensioners, before a month they don't receive their salary. They know they wear black again. But by now, and this road take junction that time wey we dey pass am, e go block. We no fit pass am, we no fit walk. But now everywhere free. As my brother talk, you say if you dey go for Ogbowo, before now you go reach where you go, everywhere good. The governor e dey work fine, e dey pay workers. They no dey complain about salary or all those. All they live fine. And all those drivers wey dey complain say they want na so Obaseki na so Agberu na lie. If you abide to the rule of the governor, you no fall victim. Because if they say make you no waka, if you say make your pikin no waka pass here and he waka, you beat am. That is your faith. That is why they no be former Agberu now sick and blow that dey big person for steady. But this one na e no be like that. If they say make you no pass this, make you no pass make you no pass here, make you no carry for here, you carry for here. You don fall a victim. Na present governor na rule well, na me want make continue again.
But you know say you no dey APC again.
Yes.
You know say you don go PDP.
Yes, I know.
You hear say they say you no get certificate when make I run go PDP.
Well, they know say you no get for certificate. Where they allow am rule for 4 years wey you wan complete so. Person wey no get certificate, e rule. Now they know say e no get certificate. Person wey say na thief na e be before, na e wan break us so make rule us. Make una check that thing. The person wey wan bring am cause say na thief, na so na criminal, e no good, no we no vote for am. E come bring this present governor come. Now he say make we vote for that one. And this governor wey bring come now, e dey do well, e no do us bad. We like am, na our people, na our choice. Me go vote for this one. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
State. I'm a driver in this park. Why we like Obaseki? That sometimes they do work, and the work where they do, we like the work. But sometimes people where they give the work, now that they do the work anyhow. If not, if they try for the state, as it be like this, we see what I mean. He continue in next tenure. At least when he continue in next tenure for 4 years, he can do. Well, let us look whether he can do more than the one that he do before another person continue. That is the only thing I have to say.
Okay, before you go, you know, you say it gets better. This when it do. But now let people when they send to do the thing, that be the problem.
Yes.
Now what be those better things now when you feel say Obaseki don't do and make you the talk say now you want make it win.
Like no, see person well no like sometimes they do some kind drillage where water they gather and with the erosion they touch all those things, and for school side they touch all those things for school side, and some kind road they see they touch some kind road where e no good where that they do and they see they try to touch all those road. That is what you would like her.
Okay.
Like
in the area of Agberu, you know say before, you say you be driver now. Before Agberu, they we state. Now when it be like say Agberu still dey or it be not there.
Agboro na every state na Agboro dey for this country, even though my state Delta state our Agboro sef e worse pass this side. No state where Agboro not dey. Agboro na all the state Agboro dey. Is Agboro not mean anything. That is the thing. Agboro dey all the whole state. No, even though federal Abuja sef Agboro dey. Nowhere where Agboro not dey. Agboro na people that is make dem no dey do pass tax us, make dem no dey do pass the thing pass their self. Na be the thing. Na be Agboro na.
Oga, you don't hear say they say the governor say he not get certificate when make them disqualify from the former party when they went be APC. You hear them?
At least.
So what can be your opinion concerning that one?
That certificate where they say no get certificate, not that certificate where they say no get, not be teru for the first thing, no. We not get certificate. You where put away say not get certificate. Why you put say the person not get certificate? Why you the first say put as say main rule and you know say not get? You say person native and you know say native. Why you first give her the thing? That is the thing. You not get certificate, but you know say not get certificate. Why you first say now be the governor, now you person, now you break up. I say not get certificate. There is no need about the certificate.
Okay. I'm from Edo State here.
Okay, sir. You know say election will take place on we state this year.
Yeah.
And you know say na 14 political parties then they contest the election. Okay. Now, out of these 14 people, 14 political parties when they contest this election, who you want make it win?
I still want the governor to continue. Why? Because I want the governor to continue. But I am still begging the governor that he should be warning the task force. They are always there after bus driver. Anyone they catch, instead of them to take them to mobile court, they will just attack him and collect all what he have.
Okay, you mean say the task force na Agbero they be?
Them be Agbero.
Agbero they be?
Yes, so they are more than Agbero.
You mean say Agbero see there we stay?
They are more than Agbero. Over bad. Thank you.
Okay, apart from that now, you hear say the governor, when you say you want make it continue, say he not get certificate.
Then at the first time they don't say no get certificate before then they elect him in. So it doesn't mean let him continue with our work, our good work. The man is trying. So aspect of road, the man is trying. To favor, but the only problem we are having in those states for now, no light. That is the only thing that I'll beg the governor to talk to the NEPA officer. And secondly, you can look at our park now. So we still want the governor by himself to come to Third Junction and to come and look where we are managing. And for here we rent this place. We are paid to 200 naira every day, which is not supposed to be so. I am begging the governor to come to Third Junction. All the drivers in Third Junction, we're ready to vote in him. Thank you.
Well, thank you for the time you take up.
Thank you, sir.
You do it.
Oh, okay. My name is Sonny Alaje. I get right to hear my own view.
Exactly.
I want Pastor Ize-Iyamu to win as the next governor of Edo State.
Why you talk so?
Why I talk so? Because we want change. We want the real change. Because the present governor, he give us stress well. Problem, the task force where put when they control driver, that they collect money for our hand every day. Nothing less than 5,000 for offense when they go you say you not park well, they just collect 5,500, and which we not supposed to be so. That make me want make Pastor Ize-Iyamu win, so that make for see get peace, make for see change.
How you dey sure say if Pastor Ize-Iyamu win, say the thing not go continue? What you just allege now say not go continue?
And not go continue because I believe say not go continue because now man will be say he understand the system, he know the people wey dey the field, so I'm not sure so that kind of thing go continue.
But we hear again. Say them say the same Pastor Ize-Iyamu wey dey talk so. Say them say he eat 700 million naira for the party when he did before he come cross over. What how you see that kind of matter?
And that matter when they talk so me not hear that one because before me if you join APC, your sin is for forgiving. So I don't really know that they owe that kind of money. I'll get to talk.
But for your own,
for my own view,
you want to make Pastor Ize-Iyamu win. Okay, thank you for the time you talk to us.
Thank you, sir.
You this year. Who you think say go win?
Ize-Iyamu.
Why you talk so?
Ize-Iyamu is that he's a man of, I know he's a man of as a caliber. What we say yes, if we were for those states. Yes.
But we hear say Agbe will not there before. Say if Ize-Iyamu come, he go bring Agberu. I
know hear that one. I know hear that one. But Agberu there with license. Nah.
Who give the license?
He said the governor was in Obaseki. Now give the license. Yes.
Who be the Agberu?
Now that's us. The pass Agberu now. Yes. If you don't give them money, say you go prison. He pass Agberu now. How much? They don't know how much will they pay? Will they pay 800 naira? But now if that's for you now, it's 5,000 naira, 6,000 naira.
Serious?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Now what television you do live?
Yeah. One time I'm a driver. I'm not going to show my driver license.
Confirm.
Yes.
Confirm.
We don't have oppression. We don't have oppression.
But how you go take the shot now? Say if Pastor Ize-Iyamu when you talk now say make it win, win. That kind of thing not go continue.
You know continue. You know the reason why I talk say no continue. Because we know you know the reason because as you get the man we say yes. We say we get man say yes. Say if we come out, this kind of thing will happen because this type of so he passed one day before. Yes. Yes.
Thank you, my brother, for the time you talk to us.
Well, sir.
God will bless you.
Wait now, before now begin the video.
This year election, that would they talk about?
Election. I think say that cause our work.
Join.
The only thing when I want to talk, we say make they help us talk to all those stars. So from here to Goroti, too long now, make the short now, so that we will feel the load they go as with the waka they go. Now if we not feel load, we not feel waka. If you just carry anybody around, they'll just hold you. That be the major problem when we the driver the counter for here.
You will not tell us who you want making win, why you want making win.
According to me, anybody when God talks say I go win for this election, I go win.
But you say God, we don't say God.
So
but then
for this one,
voting, not the talk, not the God
yes,
be voting.
Yes.
So according to your own mind, who you want vote for on that day and who you want make a win?
To me, I not get anybody when I want vote for, because whether they don't reach, now when thing enter my mind, now I go. I don't feel disclose that one now. So that is for me.
For the matter you talk just now.
Yes.
You say task force, say they disturb now.
Yes.
Who be the task force? Who bring the come out?
That is why we are saying now. That is why I'm saying that the only place government can help us now, at least this task force issue, let it say something about it.
Who be the task force?
Not be the same government, not be government put there. Now government put there now. So now our state government they put there. So you go talk to them so that they go reduce the distance is too much. If you don't drive, they go now from here to Goroti, it's too far, and you know physically carry passenger. So because of all those one, at least make the break and down. Even they say okay, the same person not carry, they'll say from here to St. Saviour, it's okay from there go. We physically carry passenger, so that make them not they disturb us again. That is the only thing I have to say in this respect. Okay.
You feel scatter pidgin?
No, no. But what I see about this election is that our politician in this Nigeria is like, to me, I don't vote for anybody.
Right.
I'll tell you the reason why. Because they are like, even the people that other prostitutes that's in Bagua or whatever, They are more better than all those politicians we have now. I will tell you the reason. The reason why I say so, because now when the election is coming, we see that everything is booming. Now when coronavirus came out, when it came, we can see our people abroad. They can see what they are passing through, and the government support them. But Nigeria here, we can see that it's only Nigeria we can see that even snake can swallow money. Even monkey can carry money. You know, the thing is, I'm really tired about this in Nigeria. Mostly politicians. Me myself, if I have my way to leave this country, I'm not coming back again. Yes, that's what I would do, because this Nigeria. Listen, I have a reason for that. Because there's a way God created this world. God never made any man to suffer. But these politicians, they are making everybody to look like Nigeria, the teenager, or maybe the youth of Nigeria, they are suffering. Because if they know that me, I'm okay, the other one is okay, nobody that will vote for them. That is the reason why they made this country uncomfortable for them. To me, I don't believe that I will vote for any of them. Yes, I will not. Because they only know themselves.
But the present government, so,
yes,
when it's there on board now, how you rate them?
See, according to my rating, you know, I will tell you one thing. The law of Nigeria does not catch big man. You only catch poor man. I will tell you the reason why I say so. Okay, now you are telling me the way I rating. I will not say that you have not tried, but based on the Nigeria system, because year or year they are fighting the man year or year. To me, I believe the man is a good man. But to me, I don't have any reason to vote for any of them. Because me, myself, the way I am now, the day they are voting, if I have job that day, by 5 o'clock, I've already left my home. If I don't have job that very day, I will sit in my home. Because why? The Nigeria does not make... The politicians, they are making everybody, they are frustrating everybody. Is it every time I will say that we are creating road? No, okay, this man that you are talking about, when he came me, he told us that he want to create a job for 200,000 workers. How many people did he employ? How many? You know, the youth of okay, we can see a graduate in Nigeria here. He's driving bus. We can see a graduate is doing carpenter. Do you know the level I am? I'm a carpenter man. I'm working as a carpenter. You know, the way it is, now you see that the money will flow now, because Nigeria election is coming now. But during the coronavirus, nobody give anybody anything. Marastan, now the coming now, you see it now. Everybody will start bringing money, throwing money up and down, giving people money 2,000 to vote. How can I use 2,000 to vote for somebody that tomorrow when he enter that place, he does not recognize me? Me and my children, we are all suffering for Nigeria. At least in Nigeria, they have resources. You know, okay, when Buhari came in, he told us you want to fight corruption, but we are not talking about corruption today. You see the way everything is, my brother. The thing is that anybody that wants to enter, they let you enter there. But I believe that there's God.
But you know, say, you feel stop person when you don't want, make it enter there.
The reason why you ask me that question, why I will say that I cannot stop it, I have a reason. No, when it comes to this Nigeria we are now, see, poor man is always in need of something. Do you understand? That's the word poor man. If you give me 20,000 tomorrow or give me 200,000, maybe I will join you. There are some people out there like that. When you give them 2,000 or some of them, they have no eating since morning. When you give them 2,000, they will vote for you. And when the person came in, what he will do, he will afford the money that he give out. He must keep it first. Okay, they say now, okay, now why are they fighting for the post? If not, there's nothing there. Why they can't let the poor man go there and do something? Oh, big men, they are fighting for the team because why? They know that there's something in there. Why are they fighting for themselves?
Okay, thank you, my brother.
Why?
A question you ask, Oga.
Yes.
Thank you for the time when you take talk to us.
God bless you, sir.
Get your opinion, sir.
All right.
Thank you very much.